Hi friends, today we are with Gautam Verma, who is famously known as GV in the cycling world in Delhi. Uh, we are with Gautam Verma for the Riding with Masters, and it's an initiative by Green Wheels Bike Festival, which is the India's biggest cycling festival, which is going to happen on 29th of January at Gurgaon Ambience Island. And Riding with Masters is an initiative to bring together all the cycling enthusiasts together under the one platform. And we are going to have the Riding with Masters on 18th of December, which is this Sunday, starting morning at 6:30 a.m. From Ambience Mall, Vasant Kunj, all the way to India Gate, and then back to Vasant Kunj Ambience Mall. So Gautam, just to give you a brief about Gautam, Gautam has proven his mettle into cycling with the third toughest event in the world in the cycling, which is MTB Himalayas, followed by PBP, which he did in 2015. He participated in PBP, and beyond that, he has been doing SRs since 2013. And this year, he is going for the double SR, which is going to be one of the biggest endeavor again by Gautam. Yeah. Right. Coming back to Riding with Master, which is going to happen this Sunday, starting from Ambience Mall. So, what riders can expect from a master like you?
See, in Ride with Masters event, I expect any kind of rider, and I would love to invite them so that they can be part of this event. And I would like to solve their queries in terms of bike fitment, in terms of nutrition, in terms of clothing. And I would say it's a nice start by Green Wheels.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Gautam, when we see Riding with Masters, such kind of an initiative coming up, not necessarily we will have all the very proficient cyclists who would be on track along with you. There would be a lot of newbies, right, who would have just started, the beginners. So I'm sure you would find a challenge of the speed along with these guys and attending to these queries. Do you have similar kind of experiences before?
Yeah. On every weekend we do this kind of rides. We do newbie rides on Saturday and Sundays. For Saturday it is Gurgaon, for newbie, for Delhi, on Sunday it is Delhi. And we go for 30-kilometer ride where I call newbies and put them on the cycle and fix their problems when they face. And once they become regular, then they start doing like 50 kilometers, couple of rides, and then 80 kilometers, couple of rides. Right. Then they become enough mature to decide whether they want to pursue it as a hobby or as a passion. Okay. Then the things changes, like then there are further queries comes, like which bike one should buy, right, what kind of clothing one should buy, right, what is the right thing, what is the wrong thing, what is the nutrition part. Right. So it after that part it becomes individual driven, but okay, till then I'm there to guide people. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So that means there is a lot of things which happens on the saddle when you paddle, with the Riding with the Masters. Yeah. So it's going to be a fantastic experience, not only for the newbies but even for the experienced guys with Gautam.
Of course.
And talking more about Gautam, what we can see is wearing a jersey which actually announces as a Spin Life. And we understood from Gautam that Gautam started a cycling community close to around 5 to 6 years back. Am I right, Gautam?
5 years back.
Okay.
I started, and earlier it was launched with the name of Spinners, and we represented Spinners in MTB Himalaya with two of my friends. And then we got back on 28 November 2011. We initiated first group ride with a couple of newbies, and then since in January we renamed it with Spin Life. We bought the domain, and then we started formalizing things with the help of a couple of my friends. They are still in the group, and they are asset to my group, and we are still growing. And we started that point of time from Palam Vihar, a small colony in Gurgaon, and now it has grown all over Gurgaon, all over Delhi NCR, and now I'm going out session. And we have big presence in breves, like we are the leader in breve rides. Like whenever we go for rides, if there are 30 participants, or 50%, 40% will be from our group, from Spin Life. Okay. Where they are doing 200 kilometer, where they're doing 300, 400, 600 or 1000. Right. So this is the present status of Spin Life. Right. And next year I'm targeting to go in one more station at least.
Okay. Gautam, bringing back our conversation to Green Wheels, which is going to happen on 29th, and before that, the riding with masters is going to be one of the very important, build-up ride, which is going to happen for Green Wheels. I'm sure you had reasons to start cycling. You know, you started cycling way back in 2002 and 3, but today there is a lot of talk which is going on about the pollution, the increase in the traffic, the number of vehicles which is going up. So today the whole concept of Green Wheels is to generate the clean and the green air, which is very important today. We have been actually breathing the complete black smoke, which is coming out of industries, which is coming out of the vehicular pollution. But yes, this is one of the thing which is in our circle of influence, that we choose our sustainable transport, right? So a lot of people are taking, cycling, and the whole objective about Green Wheels is to encourage more and more people to take up cycling as a good mode of transport. So Gautam, what is your view on that?
It's a fantastic initiative. Like some of the people in my group in Spin Life, people use the cycle as a mode of transportation every day. Myself also, and it's a very good initiative by Green Wheels. They are working for the environment, which is very much prime these days because this pollution. And besides this, I have noticed that we need a cultural shift in this. People say that there are a lot of traffic on the road and we can't ride. But from where this traffic is coming? This traffic is coming because of us. If there are 100 cars at present right now on the red light, if we convert them into cycle,
Absolutely.
there will not be any traffic. So it's a mindset here. It needs a cultural shift, and the organization like Green Wheels, who has come up with this kind of fantastic initiative, will definitely make a change in the society.
And Spin Life, being the fraternity partner with Green Wheels, is quite excited about it.
Yeah.
And let's hit the roads on 18th of December morning, 6:30 a.m. at Ambience Mall. We'll have assembly at Ambience Mall, and then we'll hit the roads at 7 o'clock in the morning with Master Gautam Verma.
And if you have any query, you can get back to me. You can ping me there. You can ping me on WhatsApp, Facebook, or mobile phone. I'll be happy to answer your queries in terms of cycling or fitness or nutrition.
Right. Fantastic, Gautam. It was nice meeting you, and thank you for sparing your valuable time with us.
Welcome.
And let's meet on 18th morning.
Yeah.
Right? It would be a good fun.
Yeah.